How to create an explainer video.
First, what is the purpose of the video? The next step, write the script. The video script that you create for the explainer video has 4 parts. 1. Present the problem to solve. Use 30 words or less. Identify with your target market demographics. 2. Deliver your solution. Use 1 or 2 lines of explanation. 3. How it all works. Explain your solution. Use 30 to 50 words. Solve the problem. 4. Deliver your call to action. Present your phone number. Present your email address. Present your website address. Click a link.
Presented by Ira Fernandez, digital and video marketer. Whiteboard explainer video. Contact me by email. Knowledge is for those who want